Hey everyone! Getting a payment method declined message on Roblox can be super annoying, right? It stops you in your tracks. But don't worry, it's a common issue, and most fixes are pretty simple. In this updated 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to get your payments working again. First things first, open your Roblox application and click on More. Scroll it down a little bit and then look for the Settings option. Among these options, go to Payment Methods. In this part, you have to double check your payment details. This is often the fix. Carefully re-enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. The biggest culprit, your billing address. It must perfectly match what your bank has on file. Even tiny differences can cause a decline. Also, you have to take note that sometimes the issue is with your bank. First, make sure you have enough funds. Second, your bank might be flagging the transaction as fraud. Give them a quick call. They can usually approve the purchase immediately. If your current card isn't working, switch it up or grab a Roblox gift card. These bypass most bank issues and are super reliable. You can buy them online or in stores. If you have tried everything and it's still declining, it's time to reach out to Roblox support. Submit a detailed ticket, explain the exact error, what payment method you are using, and all the steps you've already tried. They can look into specific issues from their end.